Onion skinning is a really useful feature in Photoshop for rotoscoping. So here I just have a blank video layer. Once again, you can tell because of the little film icon right there. So if I start on this frame 0 here, and I'm just going to draw a smiley face. And if I go forward and say I want to make the smiley face into a frowny face, I have no idea where my smiley face was. So if I try to do my smiley face again, it's a totally different position. So I'm going to just erase the brush stroke on that second layer, and I'll go over to this little drop down here and enable onion skins. So now when I go forward, the old onion skin is still there, so I could go over it again and say I want to move the smiley face a little bit. Now if I go forward, that other one, the newest skin is there. Now I can move it a little bit, and I can go forward, and now say I wanted to use the same thing and start changing the smiley face into a frowny face. So this is really useful because I can see exactly where my objects are, and you can even go in here and go to this drop down, and there's onion skin settings. So I could actually change this, and let's say 3 frames before, and then so now I can see all of the steps it took to get to this. And then I could also say frames after. Right now we don't have anything after, so I'm just going to leave that alone. And you can come in, you could change the opacity. So if I change that to 75%, it's darker, and say I change that to 25%, it's going to be much lighter. And I will just leave that at 50%. And then you could change the blending mode. If you had something other than a white background, some of these options would be helpful. So you could change that to screen mode, or you could just change it to normal, or you could change it to difference. For now, I'm just going to leave that on multiply. So those are the basics of onion skinning in Photoshop.